How's it going, guys? This is CG Trades once again. I'm going to be giving you guys a little recap today on how it went on my market views today on Thursday. I wanted to show you guys why I took no trades today because of price action. I wanted to let you guys know how it went and what I saw on the day and why I decided not to take any trades today. So as you guys can see, I'm just looking at the charts. I'm just watching them just to see if there's any opportunities. That's how you have to treat it. If there's some opportunities on the markets, then that's when you choose to execute. But I'm going to show you guys why I saw no entries based off of my model and why I decided just to close my computer. It is very difficult to close my computer, especially after the loss I took yesterday. You know, nobody likes to lose, but as you guys know, it's a part of the game. With this trading game, you have to take some losses, but yeah, obviously I want to make that money back, but it's not gonna be forced. You know, it has to come. Uh, it has to come when it is due. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just watching price at the 5 minute. I'm marking out these highs that I want to see some either reversal off of or continuation, and I like continuation, so I'm just gonna keep watching this and let's just keep on watching this. And here I'm just deleting some previous lows that I saw no reaction off of, and I'm just marking the next lows. Here I mark off a potential fair value gap um, off of the 5 minute. I just wait it out, but just keep on watching this. I was just on my phone during these times. I believe market had just opened right off of this candle, but yeah, obviously you can't force a trade. You just gotta keep on watching it. That's basically all you can do. So I'm just scaling through all the time frames, making sure my my analysis is correct before the market opens. And yeah, I'm just marking out some fair value gaps. They're getting disrespected. You know, it's just a 50-50. And I don't like to take 50-50s because that's pretty much just gambling at that point. But yes, I have that green fair value gap that I marked out on the 1 minute time frame, and let's just see what happens once it touches into it. And as you guys can see, it had just touched into it, and it did react correctly off of this. But then right after, I see an inversion off of this fair value gap, and then I this is good because it was an inversion right off of my liquidity sweep. And yes, as you guys can see, this is not something ideal because right after this inversion, it gets inverted once again, ladies and gentlemen. And I see this fair value gap, which is an ideal position because I could long off of this. But then once again, it gets inverted, ladies and gentlemen. And right here is when I just noticed price action was not the greatest. Um, it's very difficult to manage these markets, especially when they're looking like this. So right here is where I decided to close my computer and do what's best for myself as well as my account. This is something that somebody that has a clear and obvious strategy does. Once they see some bad market conditions, then that is, there's nothing else to do but just close their computer and just choose to log off of their account. Not every day there's an opportunity to make some money, and yeah, that's just a part of the game. But ladies and gentlemen, this is why I chose not to take any trades today, because of market conditions. They were just up and down, reversing, reversing, reversing. There's not much money to be made, and it's pretty much just a gamble at that point. So I don't like to gamble. This is something that CG trades does not do. So that was my analysis from today, ladies and gentlemen. I also wanted to show you guys my account balance currently. Here it is. As you guys can see, it's about 800 and something. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys so you guys can stay on track with me. And thank you guys for watching this, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.